Checking your account balance on Northone is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your balance. Step 1. Open the Northone app. Launch the Northone mobile application on your smartphone. Ensure you are connected to the internet for proper functionality. Step 2. Log into your account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRUP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach triggers 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. This page provides an overview of your account, including recent transactions and your current balance. Step 4. Locate your account balance. Look for the section labeled Account Balance on the dashboard. Your current balance will be displayed prominently, allowing you to see your available funds at a glance. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, remember to log out of your account, especially if you are using a shared device. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Northone. Regularly monitoring your balance can help you manage your finances effectively.